Hi everyone, this is Brand Store. We help you to purchase wisely. Don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. Today we bring you Japanese kitchen knives to buy in 2020. In first place we have the Shun Classic 8-inch chef's knife. A good knife feels solid and sturdy in your hand. It encourages a good grip and rests securely in your palm. It has a good weight that's light enough for slicing vegetables and heavy enough for meat. The Shun Classic 8-inch chef knife embodies all of these details. It has a packerwood handle and a very sharp edge. The blade is made out of Shun's proprietary VG Max steel and covered in Damascus steel. It's designed for precise cuts and the ultimate edge retention, which we can vouch for after using ours for years without sharpening. Let's have a look some of the features. Extremely hard, sharp and highly anti-corrosive. Comfortable grip with a D-shaped resin-coated handle. Lifetime warranty with the free sharpening service. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Global 8-inch chef's knife. You notice how Global knives differ from other brands the moment you pick one up. They're constructed from a single piece of stainless steel, which makes the blade noticeably thinner. The bottom of the 8-inch chef's knife's blade seems proportionally wider than other Japanese knives with a thinner bolster, the part of the knife where the blade meets the handle, and while the bottom of the blade almost seems unfinished with its very sharp edge, it's good for hacking through meat. The dimpled handle offers slip-proof control and, fun fact, it's filled with sand for added balanced weight. No, you can't hear or feel the sand moving around when you cut. Let's have a look some of the features. The blade is constructed of a single piece of steel with a unique convex edge. Perfectly balanced knives provide optimal control. Stainless steel handle is seamlessly constructed and textured for a good grip. Coming up next, in third place we have the Miyabi Kaisen chef's knife. The Miyabi Kaisen collection combines advanced ice hardening techniques with the artistry of traditional Japanese craftsmanship. The knives are carefully crafted with a VG10 super steel core that is surrounded by a graceful Damascus pattern that exposes the meticulously forged 65-layer steel construction. Blades go through a cryo 4-step ice hardening process for superior strength, flexibility and corrosion resistance. The edges are then hand-finished by master craftsmen using a traditional 3-step Hondazook blade honing technique for a lasting edge. The resulting blades are optimally sharpened to precise angles for outstanding edge retention. Let's have a look some of the features. The knives are carefully crafted with a VG10 super steel core. Chef knife best used for chopping, dicing and slicing fruits, vegetables and meats. Made in Japan using traditional Japanese method. Now moving to the number 4, Kuma 8-inch chef knife. The Kuma 8-inch chef's knife's thin blade makes it great for cutting vegetables or slicing through delicate cuts of meat. It's made of 67 layers of high-carbon steel, which makes it strong and chip-resistant. The handle is slightly beveled and feels very strong and sturdy in the hand. It also features a full tang, the blade runs through the handle, and good balance. Kuma knives are hand-finished to ensure sharp edges right out of the box. Let's have a look some of the features. Ergonomic non-slip handle and lightweight materials maximize comfort and maneuverability. Beautiful layered Japanese-style design. Great for pro chefs and home cooks alike. In the fifth position we have the Shun Cutlery Premier 8. For a more controlled grip, try Shun's Premier 8-inch chef's knife. It features a contoured packerwood handle that's a bit thicker than the Classic and rests easy in your palm. It also has a thinner blade that makes it lighter to use and handle. The hammered finish is hard to stop admiring and helps food release easily when cutting. This is the knife to reach for when you're ready for an upgrade that you plan on having forever, and it makes a beautiful gift. Let's have a look some of the features. Hammered tsuchim finish helps release the food from the blade easily when slicing. Hammered tsuchim finish helps release the food from the blade easily when slicing. Shun Cutlery is known for its exquisite beauty and ultra-premium performance. Handcrafted in Seki, Japan with a limited lifetime warrant. Now moving to the number 6. MAC Professional Hollow Edge Chef's Knife. Online reviewers rave about how lightweight and sharp this knife is. It has a thin blade and dimples toward the edge to help glide through sticky foods, like potatoes. The MAC MTH80 makes cutting vegetables easy and enjoyable. Hand washing and drying immediately is recommended, as it is for almost all knives, to help prevent rusting of the high-carbon aluminum alloy blade. Let's have a look some of the features. Bullet made with sub-zero tempered steel. Bullet riveted handle constructed of resin packerwood with bolster for added weight and balance. Bullet made in Japan with a 25-year warranty. And finally we are at the end of our list. In the 7th position we have the Zelite Infinity Sentoku knife 7-inch. Sentoku knives are becoming more common in American kitchens, yet they still seem a bit more special than standard chef's knives. This Sentoku has a gently curved blade that should be familiar to cooks who are comfortable with the rocking motion of American blades, while the tip, Granton edge, and Damascus pattern make it unique. This is made from imported Japanese steel with 16 layers of metal that create the pattern. The handle has a shape that makes it easy to hold, no matter how much cutting you have to do, and it's triple riveted for durability. The knife has a full tang that provides great balance, and a tapered bolster for a proper grip. Let's have a look at some of the features. Bullet VG10 Japanese Super Steel. Bullet 67 layer high carbon stainless. Bullet the triple riveted handle design provides balance. Thanks for being with the brand store.